Let's see, God, you mean he stole all your lab and creations? Suka suka, yabba yabba. Ooh. Wait, you know where Toad is? Suka suka, yabba yabba. All the doors are open, huh? Suka suka, yabba yabba. Since we got all the keys, that means we can unlock all the rooms. Suka suka. Yeah. Suka suka, yabba yabba. You mean where you know where the room is? Suka suka. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. Where is it? Suka suka, yabba yabba. Ooh. Okay, he's in the... He's like... what do you call it? He's in the wardrobe room. Suka suka, yabba yabba. Ooh. You mean... Oh, on the side of the wardrobe room. Uh-huh. Oh, man. We'll have to dig suka suka, yabba yabba. Oh, like at the balcony of it and go jump down. Suka suka, yabba yabba. Then we should see Toad there. Suka suka, yabba yabba. You mean the door is locked? I thought you said all of them. Suka suka, yabba yabba. You meant not all of them then. Okay. You know where the key is? Suka suka, yabba yabba. Had to search. I think I'm picking up a boo. Oh no.